Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into Wego app. So if you also want to log into Wego app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Wego application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Wego application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to home interface. From this interface, you'll be able to book the flights and hotels. If you want to enjoy more benefits, you'll need to be logged into your account. So logging into your account is actually very simple. All you have to do is look at the bottom of your screen. Over here, you'll be able to find the options like Home, Explore, Stories, and Account. Simply tap on the account option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for login or sign up. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. You can see three options over here: continue with email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm going to continue with email. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, all you have to do is enter the email address. Tap on the option email address. Now enter your email address. After that, you can see the two options over here: send login link to email, login with password. If you tap on the option send login link to email, login link will be sent to your email, and from that you'll be able to log into your account. But if you want to log in with password, simply tap on the option login with password. Now enter your password. Tap on the password option that you can see right over here. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forgot your password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now after you've entered the credentials, simply tap on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Wego app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.